PSW register की bits తీసుకొచ్చిరాము. What are different bits of PSW register? अच्छा अनि oral अनि ఏమైనా oral viva जुमे बेगो है गारल 1 by 1 अने.
Carry flag.
I think we need to set that date within this any oral viva जुमे. PSW register की.
Carry flag.
Okay,
Auxiliary
one is
flag.
carry flag. Tele.
Auxiliary flag.
Tele.
Parity
Overflow
flags.
flag.
Tele.
User defined
Overflow.
flags.
Tele.
Then user defined flags.
One more flag is there, which we didn't study. Which flag is that?
Overflow flags.
Huh? Daru Daru?
Overflow flag.
Yes, overflow flag. So overflow flag, we didn't study that overflow flag because overflow is related to your any carry addition and carry. There are two conditions to make this, to set this overflow bit. Okay, overflow flag. And sometimes this overflow flag, when the number is greater than 8 bits, when your addition is more than 8 bits, like for example in this case, see, when you add these two, it is more, these two are 8 bit, but this, the addition number, the sum is more than 8 bit. That time your overflow flag is 1. Can you see that? Okay. When you add these two, these are 8 bits, the sum becomes more than 8 bit. That time your overflow flag is 1. But see now, there are two conditions that sets your overflow flag. Okay, two conditions. First condition is there is a carry from D6 to D7, but no carry out of D7. Okay. First condition is there is carry from D6 to D7, but there is no carry out of D7. So that means your carry flag is 0. Imemena, what is carry flag? When the carry flag will be set to 1?
When there is carry out from D7, sir.
When there is a carry from
D7.
Carry from which bit? When there is a carry from which bit?
High bit.
From D7 bit, right?
Yes, sir.
From D7 bit, when there is carry from D7 bit, that time your carry flag will be set. That means carry flag will be 1. Otherwise it will be 0. But first condition says there is a carry from D6 to D7, but no carry from D7. This is first condition. Second condition is there is a carry from D7, but no carry from D6 to D7. Either of this condition is fulfilled, your overflow flag will be 1. Is it clear or not? Very simple. That time, in the first case, carry flag is 0. In the second case, carry flag is 1. So like for example here, see, Analu, you are adding all these number 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, I'll just Analu, you are adding 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8-bit with 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 low. We are adding this to me. Anini add bedo. Okay. We are adding these two. One, 4. Okay. What will be the answer? 4 of this. When we add these two, what will be the answer? Or plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Yeah. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Can someone tell me what will be the answer?
1011
1011
100
100
11.
11. How many bits are here? 8 bits. This one is also 8-bit. But is this 8-bit? 8-bit ina ani. Love me
No,
ngalo.
No,
Huh?
sir. No, sir.
No, right? So, Hanalu, there is a carry from D7. This is D7. This is D7. This is D0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From D7 to there is a carry. But there is no carry from D6 to D7. That time your overflow flag will be 1. Is it clear? This is first condition. Second condition is do. See? So the one which we did, this one is this one. This example is related to example 2. Is it clear? This is it for overflow flag. Overflow flag, gara overflow flag. Is it clear with overflow flag?
Yes, sir.
Dazani 2's complement ki question be bache desugi. 2's complement ki ngai post be jai bare. Hmm. 2's complement CJ we have done. This is rotation. See, RR A lami the rotation bini. This will rotate right. RL will rotate left. This will rotate right. See here. If A value is 36, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 2. RRA diwachin, this will rotate right. This 0 will come out. This 0 will take place here. This 0 will come front. Ana. However, Anale, Ani 0 di anathyo log. This will rotate. RRA lamidi. Like for example, 1001100 dulo. I wrote RRA and this is A. May. If I write RRA, this one will come here. This one will go here. So the answer will be this 0 will come take this place. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. It will rotate like this. Daru RRA diwachin. It will rotate again. What will be the thing? Number? Labnaru. 1, 1. This 0 will come here in the front. 1, 1, 0.
1 1 1 0 0
0
0
0, 1, 1,
1
0.
1 0.
This one, right?
Yes,
If I
sir.
write RLA, if I write RL, this is RR may. If I write RLA, it will rotate left. This number will go there now. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1,
1 1
0,
0
0.
0. This will be the number. So this is rotation. So see, this is RR. That is, it stands for rotate right. This one, these are very simple. I don't think there is one more. See, RRC. In this case, carry will be with the carry it will be rotating. In this case, the A number now with the carry. The last number will be taken as carry. This number will be taken as carry. That time, see, this last number will be carry and this number will be taking the place and that will be taken as carry. This number will be taken as carry, but it will go in the front anyway. And similar with RLC, I don't think this one is next topic. I think we finished almost all Analu. Before we jump to next topic, next class na start. Oh, okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
XRL the XOR operation ANL is AND operation. This is AND operation. XRL is XOR operation. ORL is OR operation. Okay. This is OR operation. So if I write like this, OR operation. ANL, you need to know all the syntax. You need to know. ANL is AND operation. XRL is XOR operation. So, in this unit, is there any doubt in this unit? Division thing. So please see the division, okay? Just the difference is to make some for more efficiency, for more efficiency, they came with some more kind of syntax like SUBB and ADC. Instead of ADD, we will add ADC. Where is that ADC? Add with carry. No. ADDC, this one. So, analu tame decimal adjustment TA. This is for BCD. No, A. That's what this is what I was searching for. ADDC. ADD the ADDC. There is a difference. Please try to understand this. There is a difference between ADD and ADDC. This is just adding the two number, but this one is adding with the carry. Okay. Adding with the carry. Anidhi. So carry in a gadivishyo when the number is greater than 9. See? Or if AC equal to 1, that time we know, right? There is a carry. Lower nibble nadi. Then after upper nibble nadi is greater than first lower nibble, the upper nibble is separate carry in a manner. Then we will do that. A minus source. Is it clear or not? We'll do some example. A plus ADDC C. So A D D C. What is this? ADDC. A comma. Okay. A comma. Let's say R1. This is the syntax. This means A plus R1 plus carry. Meaning this answer will go in
A, sir.
A. SUBB. A comma R1. A minus R1 minus carry equal to A. So there is a vast difference. If in the exam, write the difference between SUBB and SUB, ADDC and ADD lawajin. So see, from the basic, I'm explaining. This one we'll see in a while. And one example. We can add two 16-bit number, two 8-bit number. See, in this, let's see this example. Write a program to add two 16-bit number. Place the sum in R7 and R6 low. R6 should have the lower byte low. Are you getting or not what I'm saying? This question. I have to add two 16-bit number. Answer the sum should be in R7 and R6, whereby R6 is the lower byte, R7 is the higher byte. How will do this program? Now, Analu, I have to add two 16-bit number. Let's say, Analu, they have taken 3C E7. How many bits are there here? How many bits are there here? 3CE7.
16 bits.
16
Yes,
bits, sir.
16 bit. So another bit is, let's say 3B 8D. Okay,
Yes,
are you
sir.
getting or not? I have to add these two. Let's say this addition of these two is 7874. Question is saying this value, lower byte, should go in R6. Upper byte should go in R7. I have to write a program for this. How you will do? This is very no. So see, answer is here. Hello. First, I have to move this to accumulator, this value to accumulator. Then I have to add with this one. Then we have to, okay, this one. Then I am adding this one and this one. Then I have to add with carry. See? Carry, because there is a carry from here. Imevade. Are you getting? See here. Daru. So, first nalu, is it visible or not? This screen is visible
Yes,
to
sir.
you all. First nalu, I will write, because I have to move this value to accumulator. Remember the value. The first nalu, I can't move directly whole value to accumulator. Why? I can't move whole value to accumulator? I can't move directly this value to accumulator. Why? Can someone tell me why?
Because the accumulator have capacity to hold only 8 bits.
Only 8 bit, yes. It has capacity to hold only. Accumulator is a 8-bit register. If you don't know this answer, then still you have some problem with the basic. You are not studying. Accumulator is only 8-bit register. How can 16-bit number go into A? So first we need to put this value. So I will write move E7 A, okay, comma hash E7 H. Ina ani value chamchi chuimega ki. Then I will write add ani ni addition di ina ziuma de mush. Ina ziume ani ni addition di.
Yes, sir.
Add A, comma hash. Kachi diyo na? What value will come?
8DH.
8DH. So first we'll add like this. Anini. Anini gachi tara matame dato. Anini. So anini add beodalu carry chit here thomade theni me vade. Ime. So here the carry will be, obviously it will be 1. Some carry will be there from here. Anini ge addition dalu. Dachi lapchi me na carry ani dachi A plus R1 plus carry beodalu. This carry, this carry is when there is D1, D2, when there is carry from D3 to D4, or when D7 to D8. Okay. Ani carry di. Anytime. Whether this one condition or whether this condition. We are considering right now this condition. We'll see in a while now. there is a carry, but I don't care. Now I'll put this value 3C. Now move A comma hash 3C. Ani niki logic chhai ba teta. Ani niki addition dinga chigi da chiler thopchi ba value more. But we are keeping that there is a carry. We know that there is a carry. Okay. So move A comma hash 3CH. Now I'll do ADDC. I'll do ADDC. A comma hash 3BH. Ani beudaludi. Ani nigi addition plus carry of the previous one will also be added here. This is how you add 16-bit number. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Is this answer right or wrong? Who can tell me? Is it right or wrong?
Sir,
Oh,
sir, don't we have to move this low byte answer to R6?
yes. Yes, we missed 2 lines here because ani ni chamchi add bemidi ani mate ani ni add chamchi di this one will be lower byte. This is lower byte, right? Please be attentive me gara ani very very important problem. This is lower byte. Ani ni addition bemidi ani ni addition bemidi ngachi gachina chugola na R6 na chugola mena. So we missed one line here. What, how will write? Move
R6,
R6 comma
comma
A. Now I have successfully saved 74 in R6. Now I can dachi this A nalo 8D day the A gi A nalo sum way the sum gi value dinga chi save base hai the A na gachi change beru base ho ada because we have saved the lower byte. Now after this I do the addition. After this I will write here move R7 comma A. Number. Another important problem, man. Addition of 16-bit number. This is how you add. Using ADDC. Okay, ADDC. Any doubt in this? Or not? So coming back to this is finished, man. Before going to this, before we go to this, first you have to carry the, first you have to make your carry flag as 0. Okay, because you have to start your carry flag from 0. Remember that. Already carry flag 1, imagine what will happen. Answer will be wrong. So first now initial stage na the carry flag 0 jago so that each carry addition be and systematically it will add. So that's why you need to put this clear C first. But if you could write this much also, you'll get full mark. Okay. Then similar with 16-bit subtraction also. 16-bit subtraction is I don't think it's given here, but yeah, I think this one. No, 4C. No. This is separate problem, but using SUBB. See, this is I think yeah 2's complement. This is 2's complement. This is 2's complement problem. When there's a base of the Yeah, this one is 16-bit addition. See, this is 16 subtraction. I mean, pardon me. This is 16-bit subtraction. Ana, dachigi this 16-bit addition. Actually, we should do this in practical and practical. Then you will understand. Actually, you will more get the idea. So if you understand this 16-bit addition, you should not face problem in 16-bit subtraction. Okay, please see this. Okay, 16-bit addition, same, just instead of ADD, you are using SUBB. There ADDC. Okay, is it clear? Okay, delay. This program is another important program. They may. Before we come to that, yeah, this one. Yeah, any adjustment khoragi adjustment beni dime. And this is when the number is in BCD, binary coded decimal. This is not that important. DAA use baby. Subtraction, division, multiplication and division. Always these two registers should be used. May AB. I told you multiple times. Yeah, this one is your conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. This one, another important topic. See, very important problems are there, man. This in this unit. From here we did. This is simple. So this is how you OV overflow flag. So let's go to this. We'll do some problem. This one, kati benefit ani this program. See, assume that, okay. Please, if you don't understand, let me know, me. Remember. And if your network is not good, you can type your question in the chat. Nalu, type better. Okay, and you might have to, your college won't resume for next 1 month due to all those Tesung program here and lockdown. This lockdown might extend, but so in that case your face test will be postponed for sure. So when you come back during that time I think there will be a face test. So please don't take this holidays just for enjoyment. I'm telling you, when you come back, you might have to do the face test in that first week only. There are talks like that. Okay, अनि absent demi disu अनि online class de joke me anju no de bitu me. Please tell your friends also. Yeah, so let's do this program. Assume that RAM location 40 to 40H have the following values. Okay, so from 40 to 40H location dulo, each location na these values are there lo, and these values are here. Okay, write a program to find the sum of the values. Okay, at the end of the program, register A should contain low byte and R7 should have high byte. I need to add all this. Okay, I need to add all this. When I add all this, the sum should go in A. Low byte will go in A, because if we add all this We can't guarantee, we don't know whether it will be 16-bit, whether it will be 8-bit, we don't know, but we are keeping the provision for 16-bit. That's why some will go that the lower byte will go in accumulator, higher byte will go in R7. Hello. Okay. But indirectly what it is saying is some in A, carry in R7. It's saying like that. Okay. So we need to use all those addressing mode techniques, and you have to do this program. If you don't use addressing mode, okay, if you don't use addressing mode, this program will be very long. You can do, okay, but it will be very long. So I would suggest you to use loop here, loop, DJNZ loop use baby. Be watching down. Are you getting? So first, let's look this now, the answer. So first now 40 I'm putting in R0. Why? Because R0 I want to make as a pointer, and I want to increment that 5 times increment. Okay, so I'll go back to here. Tame, please speak attentive. Man, this is little tough. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now low value this do. Okay, these values I have to add. All these values should be added. So how you will do? First now low, I move R0, comma 40 H hash. Okay, hash 40 H. If I do this, somewhere I'll write here, see, add a comma at the rate R0. See, do you watch in the what how this will happen? Yeah, Anna. R0 की value दी 40 में. Okay, now R0 is a location now. If I use at the rate. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Can someone tell me what is the meaning of this? Can someone tell me what is the meaning of this? So before I pick point.
The value inside the R0 will be transferred into the accumulator.
Addition of transferred में आना दी. It's not transferred. See that it's not move. It is ADD. Addition of the value which is pointed by R0. Okay. With A. Okay. Addition of value which is pointed, that means this value will be added with the accumulator. We don't know what is in accumulator for now. We have to write here now. Okay, now this addition has to be repeated 5 times because these two I need to add R45 44 it's not 4. That's what I want. First accumulator nalu I will put 0. Okay, first accumulator nalu I will put 0. This 0 and this value will be added. Answer add with this, answer add with this, answer add with this, answer we add with this. How many times addition will take place? Coba.
5 times.
4 times.
5 times. So that 5 will be your
times.
counter. Move counter is R2 में hash 5h. Okay. Now R2 is a counter. This is counter for counter. I want the loop to run for 5 times. Okay. This loop to run for 5 times. Now I will make a 0 zo salapchi dachilera. So I'll make first CLR A. Clear A veodalu A is equal to 0 because I need to make this 0 se dachilera lapchi. Then okay. Then move. Okay. So wait. Okay. For ani at bedira jodalu tame. Ani at bedira jodalu. There need to be one register for carry also. Like for example, if I add this X and YY here, please see very carefully. If I add these two, okay, if I add these two, number will, let's say number is ZZ. This is Z, this is Z. But there might be a carry. This carry I need to save in one register. So I'll assign one register. That register is R7. Just random register. I've taken random register to keep track of this carry. This carry. So this carry, this flag also, it has to be start. This carry register should also start with 0. I can't start with 1. So initial the 0 ra over there. Then if there is carry, +1. If there is another carry, +2. +1 2. If there is another carry, 3. Because we need to, we are adding many times, 5 times, right? There might be 3, 4 carries. So I have to initialize this carry register with 0. So I'll write A here. A na 0 already. So this A is 0 value the R7. Or you can write even hash 0h. I'm indirectly making R7 0. In this, because of this region. Is it clear or not? Please.
Clear, sir.
Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Now I come to this one, add A, comma, @R0. Now I need to check for carry, right? So I'll write JNC. Next. Here. Okay. I'll write JNC next because I'm adding these two values, right? The value which is in accumulator and the value which is pointed by R0. Okay. Pointed by R0. Indirectly pointed by R0. I want to check. That means in this addition, carry in a mena, check begove. If there is carry, if no carry, it will jump to next. It will jump to next. If there is carry, what will happen? Can someone tell me if there is carry, what will happen? What should happen? If there is carry, what should happen?
Increment R7.
R7.
You want to increment R7. Nga dachile lapchime na ani di carry ki den lo yi se. Kamchi times lagni ani. Ani di carry ki den lo yi se. Carry the 0 e bate. Now if there is carry, I will increment R7. How go got? Now, if there is no carry, what should happen if there is no carry? If I add this value and this value, if I add these two value, if there is no carry, I have to add with this one and this one, right? Answer of this one, let's say that is XX, should add with the value with 41 mein bade. If there is no carry, it should go on, right? And then Daru again check for carry. Imegush.
Yes, sir.
So I will do increment R0 because I have to increment to next location now. I have to point to next location. Increment R0 means now R0 was 40. Now it will be 41. R0 will be 41. Now can someone tell me what will happen now? What should happen here? What should happen now? This addition should repeat, right? Again and again and again. How many times it should run? Huh?
5 times, sir.
5 times.
Yeah. So what I have to write here now? Next slide.
DJ and Z.
DJ and Z. What is that? DJ and Z. What? What I want to decrement and jump?
R2.
R2.
Comma. Again. Right? Where will be this again? Here. So again here. Right? Complete has been a program. Taru again and R0 will be pointed to R1 that time. This will be R1, R0 will be not R1, 41. It will be in the next loop. It will be 41. That time A की value दी 0 the 40 add baby की value देऊँ बाते any time. First loop की add baby दी देऊँ बाते. Now after it goes R2 is not 0. R2 will be 4. It will go back. R0 value will be 41 that time. 41 the added sum value थे. Daru check बेऊँ. Daru आना है R increment R0 बेऊँ. Increment R0 बेऊँ दलू. R0 will be that time 42. R2 decrement R2 it will be 3. This one will be R2 will be 3. This one will be 3. 3 is not 0, so again jump. That time R0 will be 42. 42 plus the value which was added, that's the second loop nalu. Third loop na hechi bade dato. Taru no. So it will be added 5 times. So ultimately what will happen? Answer दिखाती हूँ. Last nalu. Ani gar add baby sum दिखाती हूँ. Sum. In this program, where will be the sum? Soba. Last null add baby gati hu ani 5 values add baby दिखाती हूँ. Analu.
Accumulator.
It will be in accumulator. And what will be the carry? Where will be the carry?
R7.
R7. In R7 will be the carry. Last nalu. That was your objective of the question में बते analu. Analu, that was the object. At the end, register A should contain low byte, R7 high byte. Okay, are getting? Please revise this problem, okay? This is in 197. Delay last program for today. That's Beni se lab de wate. Ka dega? 2's complement and subtraction of 16 bit. I'm leaving to you, May. This one. Hexadecimal to decimal. I have to convert. How you will do this? For example, I have to convert F, I think FD. Yeah, see? FD, it is hexadecimal number, okay? FD. FD I have to convert to decimal. So I will divide by 10. Anna. This is the technique. May please see this. I divide this by 10. If I have to convert this into hex, okay? Any divide by the quotient will be 19, remainder will be 3. Okay, if I divide this is in hexadecimal, this is in yeah, A is also, so this is division in hexadecimal. So when I divide this, quotient will be 19, remainder will be 3. Now I will divide this quotient now with A, 10. All are in hexadecimal, all are hexadecimal number. Mein. I divide this, quotient will be 2, remainder will be 5. How go? So 2, again I will divide by A, but 2 is less than any. So remainder will be 2. Are you getting or not? Remainder will be 2, right, Anna?
Yes,
First, I have to convert FD to decimal number. So FD I'll divide by A. A divide by the quotient will be 19. Remainder will be 3. So again 19 I'll divide by A. Quotient will be 2. Remainder will be 5. The root 2 I'll divide by A. That time quotient will be 0. Remainder will be 2.
True.
So all this 253 taking the number from high byte. So 253 will be your decimal number of your hexadecimal FD. This technique I have to write a program. How you will do now? You have to use division now. See, first I am putting A value here more. So P1. How you will do this? So move. Okay. Again move any value. Let's say A comma P1. Let's say your answer is in P1. Not answer, your question, the number which you need to convert, the hexadecimal number which you need to convert is in port 1. Okay, let's say that came in port 1 and 8051 in port 1 nadi, there is a value which has come from outside calculator nale port 1 nalu punch benu. So port 1 ki value the n as dinu. So in order to do that, port 1 should be input, right? So I have to make mob P1 comma hash FFH, because I have to make P1 as input, then only it will take the value which you want to convert. So I have to make this as an input. Are you getting or not? So P1 FF, the value which you want to convert is came in port 1, that I have moved to transfer to A. Now what should happen? Now I want to move another value that I want to make as 10, because hexadecimal div A divided by B beodalu, this B should be always be 10 A, right? If this is hexadecimal number. So I'll make B, because I always div div AB jomade. So I'll write here div
AB.
AB. A नदी डिनोमिनेटर हेची, B नदी न्यूमरेटर हेची में नदी दा. Divisor the dividend हेची में देदा. So B, I'll divide like this, right? So, ani divide beodalu, answer the which one will be remainder, which one will be quotient now. Last time lapsing again division taudalu.
B will be remainder.
B will be your remainder. So
Remainder.
gadi bago be that's a question na taudalu gadi bago be ngachi remainder bago me nani.
Yes, sir.
Remainder dinga chi bago ade. So move R7, let's say, comma B. B will be remainder, remember this. So remainder thing again R7 of same way. Me. Hagway. Is it clear now with this? Is it clear or not? Now Daru, now B has changed the now, Daru. B has changed. Now B was 10. Now B is not 10 because it has now new remainder has come here. But again, I have to divide by 10. So I again will make move B, comma, has 10. Because always I have to divide by 10 and division can be only by AB. I hope you're getting okay. So I'll write again div AB. I hope you're getting why I didn't change the value of A. Why? Why I didn't change the value of A? Love Java. Because A nalu automatically quotient he diye bate. Analu A nalu quotient ho diye bate. B nalu the remainder ho diye me nate. If I do like the answer will a quotient will come in A only, remainder will come in B only. And I have to divide quotient always with 10. Ani de me nate dachi. Analu. Tame. This is the first question, the number which you want to convert divided by 10. The quotient daru quotient the divide by the. So I have to divide daru A. How go doga? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So I'll write here move R6, comma B and move R5, comma A. So high byte is in R5, middle byte is in R6, and the lower the last one will be in R7. Low byte and the high byte in it. The R5, the last one, that is, yeah, low byte. This is low byte. This one will be upper byte. This one will be MSB. This one will be LSB. This one will be LSB. This is MSB. This is how you do. Let me write it here. Conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. See? Okay. Is it clear? I hope you are making note. Devera just anyway mademe. I'm telling you. You can record. I don't care, but you can try 2's complement. Daru. That's it. Damasha gage try mabeno. 2's complement. Very simple. 3-4 line. That's it. Anina deida. Slow in that slide. And subtraction.
Two's complement if a value form not two sir. Try baby.
Yeah. So if you have written, it's okay. If you have not done, please do this 2's complement. This is another question, Ani. Another important question. For 2's complement, Benida subtraction of two 16-bit number. 216. You can try this too. Before we go to next, but hard needy, difficult needing these two will not be a problem for you because addition you know already. 2's complement ki concept she, and there is already solved problem in the slide. Okay, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Wait. Okay, I think we so who all are absent today? We have to take attendance seriously. So there are a couple of people who are missing very regularly. Shirab. Who all are absent? Love them all. Note भेजा हुआ है. Rajesh, who all are absent?
Like we are just 16 of us here, sir.
16 mo 17 mo. That's it. 19 days. The gara jaibo.
Including yourself, it's 17, sir.
Oh yeah. No, that's in 19 days. Screen. So can you tell me who all are absent?
I'm Ninsing, sir.
Yeah, Nimsring. Dele.
Theondoji.
Chong. Doji dele.
Theonrinzen.
Chong.
That time he was there, sir. Cheong, that time he attended, sir.
What happened in between? Chong Rinjin dele. Okay, Chong Rinjin. I'm cutting.
Ilongchu.
Kinle want to do minute yan.
Kiloanchu is there, sir.
Oh, Kinle want is there. 20 mo strength. Class ki strength kamchi mo. The daruchi mindu kamu. Gaki kale Gaki. Gaki is not there, right?
Yes, sir. Gaki, sir.
Okay. Ani this class I want to move. Please suggest. Okay, suggest me other times.
We are not free, sir.
Saturday one the it's quite most of the time. Saturday morning jage the ja.
Morning all packed, sir.
Morning all pack.
Like we have 1 hour class free, but that time those 4 of them are taking power electronics class with second year, sir.
Okay, then the date is 4.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Please revise, okay?
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.